Okay, YouTube, we're gonna be changing the air filter for this Honda Civic 2006. I bought this AEM because I wanted a good filter, and it's a washable filter, so you don't have to buy any more filter. It's expensive, but it's worth it in my opinion. So this is what it looked like. So let's begin taking the wire first. So that like so, in the clips, like so. Then lift it up, just like that. So here's the old one. As you can see, it's really dirty. It's the new one. Really comes with so it comes with this instruction, and you got AEM stickers, which is nice. And here's the new one. Let's put it in. Look at that. Very nice. So put it back like so. Clamp it back. Put the wire back. And you're done. That's it. You got a brand new filter for a long period of time. Make sure you wash it though. Alright? Thank you for watching.